Self-defense incidents begin and end so fast you don't have time to think. That is why it is imperative that you have a plan in place and have access to an attorney before the worst happens. Consider U.S. LawShield member David. David witnessed a suspected felon fleeing from a Lowe's parking lot, attempting to smash through cars and run over the police. Concerned for the police officer's safety, David drew his firearm and discharged a single round, striking the attacker's vehicle. The attacker was soon apprehended, but that wasn't the end of it. The officers investigated David for a potential crime. David had a plan. He called the U.S. LawShield emergency hotline, and an attorney was immediately able to assist him. Even though he was acting in justified defense of a third party, that didn't stop the police and prosecutors from investigating David and presenting the case to a grand jury. Thankfully, David's case was no-billed by the grand jury, but we cannot forget the valuable takeaway from this case. Even when you are acting in clear-cut justified self-defense, you may still have to defend yourself from criminal charges. So you must be prepared and know what to do after you're involved in an incident. First things first, if you or someone else is injured and needs immediate medical attention, call 911. Do not wait. The moments following a self-defense incident are critical. But remember, all 911 calls are recorded, and anything you say can and likely will be used against you. That is why you should not give the operator a detailed description of events. Avoid words like shot and killed. Simply give your name and location, identify yourself as the victim of a crime, and request EMS and police be dispatched. Then hang up. You need to talk to an attorney before you make any further statements to law enforcement. As soon as possible, call the U.S. LawShield emergency hotline, the number located on the back of your member card, and follow any instructions given to you by your independent program attorney. Try to make this call in an area where you can be alone and can speak privately. The independent program attorney will be able to advise you on your specific incident and give you personalized legal advice immediately. If you cannot get to an area where you are alone, simply give the attorney your name, member number, location, and what type of emergency you've experienced. Politely but firmly invoke your rights with law enforcement. Taking these steps can mean the difference between your freedom and your incarceration. Unfortunately, there are some instances where an arrest is unavoidable. In the event you are arrested, if you have a U.S. LawShield emergency plan, your independent program attorney will be able to use the information you provided to contact your loved ones.
Events like these illustrate exactly why it's so important that you prepare a comprehensive self-defense plan to get the help you need after an incident. Exclusive services such as the U.S. LawShield Emergency Plan ensure that if you are taken to jail, your independent program attorney has a point of contact of your choosing to work with and hopefully get you home to your family sooner. Take advantage of our member-exclusive services. Call us or log into your member portal today and make sure you have an up-to-date emergency plan. Make sure your independent program attorney has access to the critical information needed so you have the best possible assistance if you are arrested following a self-defense incident.